Today we are taking a look at the latest, newest kit from NuNu. Models it is the BMW M8 GTE for the 2019 Daytona winter kit. B124 scale curbside kit, and it is today's What's in the Box. Getting started with the body. You can see it is a multi-piece body. And now getting started with parts tree A, which is the chassis plate piece. Part of the front suspension. We have part of the dash. Interior door panels. Have the seat. Vent tube, I believe is what that is. I'm not really quite sure. And now moving on to parts tree C, which is more suspension pieces and maybe some interior pieces as well. We'll start up here. Have the side view mirrors, springs, struts, steering wheel, pedals, and down here you have the rear axle, part of the dash piece there. Antenna, tie rods, hoses, another dash piece it looks like, vent pieces. Get the brakes real quick. Look pretty good. And now moving on to parts tree B, which will be the interior, some of the interior parts and some body pieces as well. The interior bucket piece, which you can see. And it does have some detail molded to the floor, so that'll be fun for detail painting. Over here we have part of the roll cage. I have the top section, maybe rear section. And then we have the sides of the roll cage. And here we have the rear bumper and the lower body pieces. See door handles there. And over there, another roll bar piece. And now I'm going to take a look at parts tree D, which has a little bit of some other various pieces. The wing, the grill pieces. We're going to take a look at parts tree W, which is the wheels. Yeah, W wheels. See what they did there. Now we're going to take a look at the race slicks, which are cambered for... They don't look truly great, but they're alright. They'll need a little bit of cleanup and they'll suffice. Now take a look at part tree E, which happens to be the chrome parts tree. So you got a set of headlight buckets, got the lower driving light, fog lights, tail light buckets, and the mirror faces. And now we're taking a look at the chrome or the clear parts tree. So you have the side windows, front and rear windows, and all of the lenses. Pretty simple. And now we're going to take a look at the decal sheets, and there are quite a few of them. There's 4 to be exact. So let's start with the this one, the big one, the main one. I don't know what to call it. Colored parts of the livery for you. You see, you have your choice of number 24 or 25. So basically, you just have to paint the body white, and the decals will take care of the rest. The sheet that covers all the black. And once again, NuNu's keeping up the tradition of using decals for the window masks. And then they'll probably release this again with actual window masks later on. And now I have the, we'll call this the decal sheet, all the other stuff. And the final decal sheet, the motor sports decals. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the BMW M8 GTE for the 2019 Daytona winter kit from NuNu Platts. And yes, there is a detail up set if you'd like to purchase that separately. I did not get it. It includes the photo etch, and I believe it has also carbon fiber decals as well. And it runs about, I think, $24, $25 now is what they're up to. And then you have the decal placement guides for both number 24 and 25. So on that note, guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.